Today we're taking a look at one of Phuket's most iconic beachfront resorts, the beautiful Amari Phuket. If you're looking for a breathtaking ocean view, direct beach access, outstanding service, and a peaceful tropical setting just minutes away from Phuket's vibrant nightlife, this resort could be the perfect choice for your next holiday. Amari Phuket is located on the southern end of Patong Beach, on Phuket's popular west coast. Nestled in a private hillside overlooking the Andaman Sea, the resort enjoys peaceful atmosphere while remaining just a short walk from Patong's famous restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and nightlife. It's approximately 40 kilometers from the Phuket International Airport, with driving time around 50 to 60 minutes depending on traffic. The resort features 380 beautifully designed rooms, suites, and villas, many offering spectacular sea views with private balconies. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family holiday, or simply looking to relax in luxury, there's accommodation to suit every traveler. One of Amari Phuket's biggest attractions is its stunning location. Guests can relax on a small private beach, snorkel in clear waters directly in front of the resort, or spend a day beside one of the resort's beautiful infinity swimming pools overlooking the ocean. The resort also features the luxurious Breeze Spa, a modern fitness center, and several excellent restaurants and bars serving everything from authentic Thai cuisine to fresh seafood and international favorites. Phuket enjoys warm tropical weather throughout the year, with average daytime temperatures ranging between 30 and 33 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures generally remain between 24 and 27 degrees. Sea temperatures average around 29 degrees Celsius, making swimming enjoyable in every season. For most visitors, the best time to visit is between November and April, when rainfall is at its lowest and humidity is more comfortable, and the Andaman Sea is usually calm and crystal clear. This is the ideal season for beach holidays, snorkeling, island hopping, and sunset cruises. If you're looking for the lower prices and fewer crowds, the green season, from May through October, offers excellent value, lush tropical scenery, and frequent sunshine between the occasional tropical showers. One of the resort's biggest advantages is its location near Phuket's top attractions. Just minutes away, you will find the famous Bangla Road, Central Patong, Patong Beach. Day trips can also be arranged to the world-famous Phi Islands, James Bond Island, Similan Islands, and the colorful streets of Phuket Old Town. Other nearby highlights include Big Buddha, Freedom Beach, and Coron Viewpoint, all within easy driving distance. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a little of both, Amari Phuket offers the perfect combination of luxury accommodation, world-class hospitality, and exceptional dining, and one of the best oceanfront locations on the island. Obviously, a very beautiful place. But here's the important numbers. I got all this information off of Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description, so you can check out the prices on your dates and get more information. On Agoda, this place is listed at 5 stars. It has a customer rating of 8.7 out of 10, which is really good, with over 4,000 reviews. Now the price. Looking 2 months ahead, which is still in the low season. That is very important. Hotels are normally quite a bit cheaper in this area during the rainy season, for obvious reasons, obviously. 4,000 baht a night is the cheapest I can find. That, of course, is the cheapest room available and before taxes. That works out to about $120 per night. But you have to remember, this is a 5-star resort on the beach in Phuket. Pretty reasonable price, I think. But like I said, cheapest room available and before taxes. Now, I went through a lot of the comments that people were leaving, and the one thing that really stood out to me is a lot of people talking about the amazing location. It has a customer rating of 8.8 out of 10 on location. People like where this hotel is located, and for good reason. It's within walking distance to a lot of the nightlife, the beach, and the shopping areas along Patong. And amazing sea views. And let's not forget, this is a very, very long beach. Lots going on that beach most days as well. So location, location, location. Very important if you're not driving. And you're a short taxi ride to pretty much everything else on the island. But I guess that's true no matter where you're staying. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you on the next one.